So continuing from part B, that was cut short in between. Sorry for that interruption. So we are continuing from there. You see. So here I've closed down the formula for count, right? That if count 8 n is equals to 1, then do all this. Otherwise, give me a 0, bracket close. Now I have to close down my if formula also, which I wrote in the beginning here. So I say that if all these conditions are met, then do accordingly. Otherwise, give me a blank. Bracket closed. I'll press enter. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is, please fix the cells accordingly. You see, I fixed this cell, the year references here, here, and the other references also, right? So otherwise, if you don't fix, because it's a complex formula, you are going to falter somewhere. So I'll just press enter. Now I'll select all this. I'll press Ctrl D. So you see, I have the depreciation as per SLN formula, and my salvage value or the value in the last year is equal to 80,000, which is equal to salvage value given to me in the question. Now if I change this to dB, so you see accordingly my values are changing, and again my salvage value is approximately equal to what is given to me in the question. Similarly, I can change my months also. So 9 was already there. Let's go to 7. Let's say it was bought in November, right? So you see accordingly now at just one click all my values are changing, and that too in one table only. So that was my depreciation schedule. I hope you understood it, and thank you for listening.